Umboniso 2, and here we read Magaba ugqibile ukuphunga. Magaba has finished having her coffee. Uncokolela uNozipho iindaba zomtshato, and she chats with Nozipho regarding the news of the wedding. Kungena uZwilakhe, and in comes Zwilakhe. This is now the father, he too having come from the wedding. Yena ungena enxilile, he comes in enxilile, drunk. Magaba speaking, "Go, imnandi le kofu yakho Nozipho mntanam. Oh, but this coffee of yours is nice, Nozipho, my child. Ngoku ndiziva ndisozela. And now I feel ozela, tired, drowsy. Kutheni isozelisa nje kakade? Why does it isozelisa make one drowsy?" This is now the coffee. Ikofu yinto, coffee is something ephutelisayo, which invigorates. Ayozelisi, it does not make one drowsy. Akuyigalelanga, did you not add unobutongwana, a sleeping potion, to it? Kodwa, literally but perhaps we can say perhaps. Oh mama, oh umama, oh my mom. Usithi uyozela nje. Saying that you are tired is just because ufuna ukubaleka nesali. Literally, you want to run away with the saddles. You want to evade the issue. Akufuni kundincokolela. You do not want to chat with me regarding indaba zomtshato, regarding news of the wedding. Kanene Nozipho ndonile ngokuya kulo mtshato. Indeed, Nozipho, I did the wrong thing by going to that wedding. Goku ufuna ukundibuza. Now you want to ask me yonke imfechi le. Now you want to ask of me all of these little finer details. Hayi man, khawundiyeke mna. No man, leave me. Ndilale, so that I can lie down. I'm drowsy, I'm sleepy, ndiyozela. Kudala ndisitsho, and I've been saying so for a long time. Andiyazi into ebangele ukuba ungayi emtshatweni. I do not know the reason that caused ebangele ukuba that ungayi, that you did not go emtshatweni, to the wedding. Kuba akukho mntu, because no one ube kunqandile, no one stopped you. Hayi kaloku mama, besingena kuya sonke. No, but mom, besingena kuya sonke. We could not all go emtshatweni kuba, because umzi awunakusala wodwa, because the home cannot be left alone or unattended. Ewe, unyanisile mntanam. Yes, you are quite right, my child. Kakade zityile inkukhu ihagu neenkukhu zam. By the way, have my pigs and fowls been fed? Have they eaten? Ewe, ndinyanisile. Yes, I am right. Nehagu neenkukhu zityile, and the pigs and fowls have been fed. Khawutsho ke, and so tell me, umtshakazi, the bride, yintombi yaphi? Where is she from? Aw, Nkosi, oh my God. Ucinga ndisayikhumbula na? Do you think I still remember? Ngoba ngapha ngasemthatha wethu. She's from somewhere over there near Umthatha. Andiyazi ke ngoku ilali. At the moment, ngoku, I do not know the ilali, the rural village, kanye exactly. Nokuba, whether it is Xolosa, Ngobo, Gwazi, okanye ngcolosi, whatever. Makube yingcolosi. Perhaps let's make it ngcolosi xa usithi, if you say kungasemthatha. If you say it's in the proximity of Mthatha, because ngcolosi is nyetsolo. Makube njalo ke mntanam, let that then be so, my child. Xa utshoyo, if you say so. Kaloku mna, I am not educated, I did not study, and I do not know andizazi zonke iindawo ezi. I don't know all of these places. Unjani ke phofu? However, what is she like? Mhle? Is she beautiful? Gamanze ndonga, she is exquisite. Akamde, she is not tall. Akamfuchane, she is not short. Uphakathi nje, she is just in between. Phofu ebe mhle nomyeni. And indeed, the husband was also handsome. Efanelwe impahla, and suited to his outfit. Ngathi wazalwa nayo, as though he had been born in it. Bamncoma isimilo abamaziyo, and they all praise his demeanor, those that know him. Ngobani iintombi ebeziyile, and which girls went there? Zisuka kule yetu ilali, and do they come from this lali, this village of ours? Oh, Nozipho mntanam, oh Nozipho, my child. Goku kufuneka ndazi, and now I have to know even the people ebebe phaya who were there. Phofu ke, however, ndibate che, I caught a brief glimpse of Thobeka and Nomsa. Wayemhle uThobeka. Thobeka was beautiful, this she being the daughter of Mxotama. Nempahla yakhe, as well as her outfit. Oh, Yiva, oh, listen to that. Bendisazi akuna kungasamncomi uThobeka wena. I knew that you could not resist to ncoma, to praise Thobeka. Hayi, uyamthanda. No, you like her. Ewe ndiyamthanda lamntana. Yes, I do like that child. Ngenxa yentobeko, because of her humility, nokukhuthala kwakhe, and her diligence. Ubufanele gqitha ubufazi. She is most suitable for wifehood, or being a wife. Nangoku, and even now, ukuba, if bendinesoka endizalana nalo, if I had had a suitable isoka, bachelor, as part of my family, endizalana nalo, bendi yakulibonela uThobeka, I would choose Thobeka for him. Kyeni, my goodness, utini na mama. And what are you saying now, Mom? Uti ukuba, are you saying that if you had an isoka or zalana nalo, if you had a suitable bachelor in your family, utini ngeli lingunyana wako? What do you say about this one who is your son? Nangoku ukuba bekuthetha mna, and even now, if bekuthetha mna, if I had a say, uguletu ebeza kuchata no Thobeka. Guguletu would marry Thobeka. Koko ke, however, andinakunceda. However, I am powerless, because abantwana banamhlanje, because today's children ababeva abazali, do not listen to their parents. Kanti ke, and yet kudala in the olden days, long ago, umfana ebebonelwa ngabazali umfazi. The son's wife was chosen ngabazali, by the parents. Phofu ke nawe Gaba utsho yinto ukuthi yinto yakudala leyo, but as you also say, Magaba, that is something yakudala, from long ago. Amaxesha ngawo khanyo ngoku. These are now enlightened times. Yinto yakudala, and that is something from long ago. Tiza, oh my goodness. Ingati, it seems, imagine, I suppose we could say, imagine me being Selwa, seeing myself married off to someone, endingamaziyo, whom I do not know, nendingamthandiyo, and whom I do not love. Yiyo ke lento kunje kule mihla, and that is why things are the way they are kule mihla these days. Onyana nentombi zabantu bayabhutyuza. The sons and daughters of the people, they bungle. Abayazi into wayenzayo. They do not know what they are doing. Batata amasiko, they take the customs and traditions ezinye inhlanga of other races, and ngeso sizathu, for that reason then, imitshato, the marriages iyaqhawuka, dissolve or break up. Onyana abevani noyise, the sons do not listen to the fathers. Omolokozana abevani noninazana, and the daughters-in-law do not get on with their mothers-in-law. Zazingekho zonke ezo zinto kudala. All of those things did not happen kudala, long ago. Kakade, Mama. So by the way, Mama, Kawucho, tell me, Ubuti Guguletu lo, our son or brother Guguletu, uyakumfuna nini umfazi? When is he going to find a wife? When is he going to look for a wife? Iintanga zakhe zonke zinabafazi. All of his peers have wives. And ngoku ushiwe nangama khwala. And now he's even been left behind by the new initiates. Those have been newly initiated into manhood. Hayi imbi lento yakhe. This is a sad state of affairs. Kunjalo nje ndiphuphe kakubi ngaye. And moreover, I had a bad dream. Pupa is to dream ngaye, about him. Uphuphe ntoni ngaye? And what did you dream about him? Kawucho, tell me. Ndiphuphe ndibona, I dreamt I saw abantu abaninzi enkundleni, lots of people enkundleni yamatyala, in the court. Ityala eli lithethwayo, and the case under discussion, lelikaBhuti Guguletu, is that of my brother Guguletu. Nangona, even though ndingazi, I do not know ukuba lityala landoni na, what the case is about. Phofu, however, liphelela, it ends ekubeni with uBhuti uzakuxhonywa, with my brother about to be hanged. Hayi Nozipho mntanam. No, Nozipho, my child. Liyeke eli phupha lakho, libi. Forget about this bad dream of yours. Masincokole enye into. Let's talk about something else. Khawutsho ke ngale ndawo yonyana wakho. Tell me then about this business, about your son. Ucinga ntoni ke ngaye? And what do you think about him? Hey, She laughs. Sisimanga esi undibuza sona. This is a strange thing that you are asking me. Ucinga ukuba, do you think that Gugulethu uyayicinga into, even thinks about the matter of yokuchata, of marrying? Njengokuba ngathi usonwabile ebusokeni, when it seems as though he is so onwabile, relaxed and happy, ebusokeni, in bachelorhood. Andiqondi ukuba uyayiphupha nokuyiphupha oku lonto. I don't think he even dreams about that. Phofu ke, however, perhaps mhlawumbi ulinde, he is waiting ukuba nide nithethe, for you to speak. Ngokwenu, you yourselves to speak. Uza kuthini ke xa nithule? What is he going to say? What is he going to do if you just keep quiet? Phofu xa nincokola uthini ngale ndawo? But when you chat, what does he say about this matter? Akayiphathi nokuyiphatha oku. He does not even mention it. Siza kuyithini ke thina into enjalo? And what are we going to do about that? Nathi asifuni kununusa umntu ngomfazi. We too don't want to force someone into marriage. If yena akakho kulonto, if he is not with it, if he's not in favor of the business, of the issue or matter. Kanti ke mhlambi, and yet perhaps akanakuyichasa lonto, perhaps he would not even oppose it. Xa ninokuyikhankanya, if you had to mention it, kuba ngumntu onivayo, because he is someone who is obedient, who listens to you. And outside, how, the dog barks. Mhlawumbi ngutata lowo udliwa yinja. Perhaps that is dad being barked at by the dog, literally being eaten by the dog. Oh, kazi unjani ukunxila. I wonder how drunk he is. Bebe buninzi utywala. There was a lot of liquor phaya kulam chato, there at that wedding. Ukuba nguye, if it is him, siza kuyiyeka le ncoko. We will stop this conversation. Kodwa ke, however, xa ninobabini, when it is just the two of you, uze uyibhekise, you must mention lento kabhuti, this matter of my brother. Kini wathuma mna. Oh, she sends me. Yibhekise kuGugulethu, mention it to Gugulethu, so that he can mention it kuyise, to his father. Hi mama, wethu ndiyamoyika nobhuti. No mom, I'm also scared of my brother. Qonqonqo, knock knock knock. Ungubani? Zwilakhe is outside. Vola, Gubani, Gubani, ulindele bani. Who is it? Who are you expecting? Nozipo, kauvule. Open up, Nozipo, otherwise we will die. Nozipo opens up for him, and in comes Zwilakhe eqadazela, staggering. Luphi ukhuko ndingqengqe? Where is my sleeping mat so that I can lie down? Nozipho, yiza nokhuko. Bring a mat. Kuza kude kufe izitya zam, otherwise literally my dishes are going to die. He's going to break everything. Uze uthi wakugqiba umlungiselele ukutya atye alale. And when you have done so, prepare some food for him so that he can eat and lie down. Kukutya kuni oko. What food is that? Ukuba asibo tywala, if it is not alcohol, ningandiphi, don't give me any. Andifuni mingqusho mna, I don't want samp. Andilo hashe, I'm not a horse. He burps. And akuva ke, and you don't listen. Yabuya impendulo, and there's your answer. Mama, ndisaya kulala mna ngoku. Mama, I'm just going to lie down now. Kudala ndisozela. I've been sleepy for a long time. Kwaye kusebusuku, and it is getting late. Hayi, akukho nto mntombam. No, it's no problem, my child. Nam ndiza kulala, and now I'm also going to go to bed. Nozipho esebeza, whispering. Ungalibali kaloku lanto, mama. Don't forget that matter, mom. Also whispering, yeka wena ndiza kuyichukumisa kusasa kuba ngoku usaphethwe butywala. Don't you worry, leave it. I will chukumisa it, I will mention it in the morning, because now usaphethwe butywala, because at the moment he's still under the influence of alcohol. Nozipho going out. Hayi kulungile. No, okay. So bonana kusasa khonantini. We'll see each other in the morning. Khonantini, from goeienaand, good night. Zwilakhe and Magaba together say, kulungile ulale kakuhle. Sleep well. Magaba ulungisa umandlalo. She prepares the bed, and bayas lala, and they go to sleep after a short incokwana conversation.